Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we solve guys keyboard hanging problem. Friends, your phone keyboard hanging problem guys you want to solve in your Tecno phone device. So friends, how can we solve guys keyboard hanging problem? Today friends, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, how to solve guys keyboard hanging problem? So friends, you will have to click on guys your Gboard setting. As you can see guys your Gboard app, so guys press on get Gboard app and as you can see guys your app info guys tab here. So after on get the Gboard guys you can see this type of settings. So when you will have to click on guys storage and caches, then click on only clear storage option guys tap here to solve guys your keyboard hanging problem guys. So friends, you can use guys your phone keyboard guys without any problem guys. After that guys, you have any another problem related to guys your keyboard setting guys, you can ask me in comment section guys, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends. So like that guys, you can use guys your keyboard without any hanging problem guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.